Good morning people, good morning YouTube, Dr. Shekhar here, welcome back to my channel. Today is I suppose 28th of September, the time is around 10 in the morning. I am going to Aryan Suzuki dealership, rather service station in Dumblur Road, because I have to get my GS XS150 serviced for the fourth time. That is 12,000 kilometer service. Presently I have ridden around 10,679 kilometers. And the last service, that is the third service, I got it done in the month of Feb, and afterwards I have not got the service done, and I have put around 3,500 kilometers after that third service. The reason for me not to get the service at the scheduled time is because of the coronavirus. Because of the coronavirus, there was around 3 months of lockdown in Bangalore. So even Suzuki company have also relaxed those 3 months when it comes to service time interval. In Suzuki, the service interval is once in 4 months or 4,000 kilometers, whichever comes earlier. I know it's really very frequent compared to other brands, but that is what we get in India. Abroad, I think the service frequency interval is a bit less compared to India. I don't know why Suzuki has done like that. Probably because of our pollution level, and because of our what do you say, the grade of the petrol what we get here. Anyway, what I have done is I have ridden my Suzuki GS XS150 from the day one only on 99 octane petrol only. The reason why I am telling that, because according to the service advisor Mr. Shivanand in Aryan Suzuki, he tells me that at 12,000 kilometers what they have to do is they have to change the engine oil and oil filter. That's normal whenever you get a service done. Upon that, what are the special things we have to do at 12,000 kilometers? He said that we have to change the spark plugs, all the 4 spark plugs, and we have to change the front fork oil, and we have to change the brake fluid also. But somehow I was very skeptical about changing all these things, so I went through the manual. The manual says that yeah, definitely spark plug has to be changed at 12,000 kilometers, and the fork oil change usually after 2 years only we have to consider that. That depends on the discretion of the dealer or discretion of the owner. Similarly, the change of the brake fluid is also after 2 years. So still now my ownership is not gone beyond 2 years. It's around probably 18 months, I guess. So what I'll do is I won't change the brake fluid, and I won't change the front fork oil, because the brake performance is really good. It has not gone down, or it is not sluggish and all. Similarly, the front fork performance is also up to the mark. So I don't think there is any need to change these two things. Regarding spark plug, that's why I told you that I've been riding this bike only on 99 octane petrol from the day one of my ownership. So once you use 99 octane petrol, the petrol burns well. So the after deposits of the petrol burn which remains on the spark plug will be really less. So I'll just see the status of the spark plug. I feel still some amount of life might be left in the spark plug. If it is so, then I won't change the spark plug also. I'll get only oil change and oil filter change, and remaining chain tightening and the chain tightening and all those things. That's it. Presently I am in Malleshwaram, so it will take me around 30 minutes for me to go to Aryan Suzuki. Anyway, I'll see you in Aryan Suzuki, guys. ಏನೇನು ಮಾಡೋಣ ಶಿವಾನಂದ್ ಈಗ? ಏರ್ ಫಿಲ್ಟರ್ ನೋಡೋಣ, ಆಯಿಲ್ ಚೇಂಜ್, ಆಯಿಲ್ ಫಿಲ್ಟರ್ ಚೇಂಜು ನಾರ್ಮಲ್. ಸ್ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಪ್ಲಗ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸ್ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಪ್ಲಗ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನನಗೆ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಇದೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು, ಇವಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟ್ರ್ ಓಡಿಸಿದ್ದಾನಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟು ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟ್ರ್ ಬರೀ 99 octaneಲ್ಲ ಓಡಿಸಿರೋದು. ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರ್ನ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ನೋಡೋಣ ಸ್ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಪ್ಲಗ್ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಫ್ಲೂಯಿಡ್ ಹೇಳಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಫ್ಲೂಯಿಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡ, ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಫೋಕ್ ಆಯಿಲ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡ, ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಫೋರ್ಕ್ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಯಾವಾಗ ನನಗೆ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಫೋಕ್ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರೋ ಅವಾಗ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಆಯಿಲು ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಯಾವಾಗ ಬ್ರೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಆಯಿಲ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಬ್ರೇಕ್. Since we have fixed this steering stabilizer, The other part of the arm of the steering stabilizer is fitting on the tank. So we have to take out the tank. We have to lift the tank to access the spark plugs and also have to remove the steering dampener also, this part of the steering damper. That is one of the disadvantages of putting an aftermarket steering damper. So whenever we have to do service, at that time we have to remove this arm. So we are accessing the spark plugs now. So these are the 4 spark plugs, NGK Iridium. The spark plugs are really good. Not much of carbon deposits on the spark plug. This is the advantage of putting only 99 octane fuel. So I don't think there is any need to change the spark plug in this service. So I'll be using the same spark plugs. So we cleaned the air filter. So this is how it's looking after cleaning. Looks like I can push another 2000-3000 kilometers in this air filter. So I'll be putting the same stock air filter only. I won't be changing the air filter now. We'll see. So now we are cleaning the chain.
Is doing.
Yeah, we have to do now. It's our vehicle now.
That's what I do when I go to Maruti. First thing they'll give me a pair of gloves. Then
to come and stand along with them.
Manager says like this. Good now, nice.
If at all we are really, passionate about our vehicles, no?
Passion was. It's like a horse. Have you driven a horse?
No, if at all.
Let us go talk to him. Nice.
No,
His
sir.
bike is also like that only.
What I am trying to tell you is, if at all the owner is really passionate about the
Yes,
bike, means even the person who does work on the bike, he'll also be passionate.
That's come from here, not from here.
Yeah, he'll also be passionate. He'll also enjoy working with us.
Yeah, automobile man, me also.
Okay. ಹಿಂಗಿದೆ
1500 ಓಡಿಸ್ಬೋದು
2000 ಓಡಿಸ್ಬೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇನಾ
ನಮಗೆ ಸಹ ಅಷ್ಟು ಓಡ್ತದೆ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರ್ತಲ್ಲ
So this is the condition of the front brake pad. Still some amount of life is remaining. Probably I think I can extract another say 2000 kilometers from these brake pads. So what I'll do is I won't change now. I'll run like this only for another 2,500 kilometers. Then I'll come and I'll change the brake pads. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಲೈಫು. So this is the rear brake pad. This appears to be really good. ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು 5-6 ಸಾವಿರ. So I can extract another 5,000-6,000 kilometers from this brake pad. ಚೈನ್ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿದೆಯಾ? ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನು ಬೇಡ.
20 to 30 mm ಇರಬೇಕು.
So the slack of the chain appears to be really good, it seems. So we won't touch that chain adjustment now. We will leave it like that only. So this is the engine oil what we drained, and our mechanic is telling that the life of the oil is almost over. So anyway, I have revved the bike like anything. I have taken the bike in every gear to the maximum, and I have done like that from past 3,500 kilometers. So yeah, it requires an oil change. We'll change the oil now along with the oil filter. This is the oil what we are using. Motul 300V factory line road racing 10W40 Istacor 40 100% synthetic racing motor oil from Motul company, 1 liter. And the price of this is 1,075 rupees MSRP. Month and year of import is June 2019. approximately around 1 year back. And this is the oil filter, Suzuki motorcycle Chinain oil filter, made in Japan. 1 liter, 2 liter, 3 liter, 4 liters. 4 liters of 300V we will be using. 300 ಉಳಿದಿದೆ ಇನ್ನು.
ನೋಡೋಣ
200 ಅಂದರೆ ಈಗ 3.8 liters ಆಗಿದೆ. So finally what we have put is 3.8 liters of Motul 300V we have put, and this is the window level what it is showing. See you, Shiva. Bye. ಬಾಯ್ ಸಿಗೋಣ, ಸಿಗ್ತೀನಿ, ಎದುರು ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಬಾಯ್. So morning I came at around 10:30. I am leaving the service station at around 1:45. Service is done. It costed me around 8,400 rupees. I forgot to fill up the bill, but it was 8,400 rupees for 4 liters of engine oil, engine oil filter, and washing and labor charge, everything. So going home now. Yeah, this is the next day. I couldn't record any further videos because the battery got drained. I just wanted to show you the bill of the Ford service. What I did was, as you seen, I changed only engine oil and engine oil filter. The oil filter rate is around 987.28 rupees, and the engine oil per liter rate is about 839.84 rupees, and the labor charge is around 2,500. The total bill comes up to 8,415 rupees. This is the amount what I paid for the Ford service. I hope this information helps you people. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, ride safe and keep smiling, guys. Bye bye.